we're gonna get some starters going today. All you're gonna need is some soil for potting and something to hold the dirt in, and some seeds. And I'll show you how we do it. Pretty simple. So I'll just grab one of these little pots and fill it with some soil and put it back into this little tray. The tray makes it a little easy to move them around, but I'm just gonna fill every one of these up and then we'll go to the next step. So I got my last little cup to fill with some soil, and that is it. We got them all filled up. Next thing we'll do is put the seeds in there, and we'll go to the next step. Okay, so I'm gonna put a bunch of these seeds in here. I got cilantro, kale, lettuce, more lettuce, basil, bunch of stuff. I'm gonna put it on each one of these. I'm just gonna take a few seeds and put them in each one of these little pots we have. So I'll just do like a little handful. So I have probably like 20 seeds in my hand right now. And I'm just gonna put a few in each one of these and put them just about, not a full inch, maybe like 3/4 inch, and then just cover it up. And I'm just gonna do a few of these. Right now I'm putting cilantro in, and the seeds are really big compared to the most of the other ones I'm gonna plant today. So I'll just put a few of these in each one. And I'm just gonna do this first row right here with all cilantro, and then put some different seeds in the other pots. So I'm gonna get these all filled with seeds, and then we'll go to the next little step. So these little basil seeds, I got a little handful, and just like the other ones, I'm gonna put like 3 or 4 in each one of these. And just drop them in the middle, and I'll do this whole row for basil. So now I got a whole row of cilantro, a whole row of basil, and I'm just gonna push it down just a little bit and then cover it up. So just push them down in there and then cover them up right through the middle. Push them down. And so I'm gonna do the rest of these with some more lettuce, and we'll be good. Okay, so in here I'm growing cilantro in all these, basil in all these. I got kale, I got iceberg lettuce, I got arugula, and that's what I'm gonna grow. After I get these started, they will go into my easy garden, and that's where they'll live. And I'll be able to pick off them and eat them as I want to. So next step is I'm just gonna give them a little bit of water. Giving them some water. So you just want to check on these every day and make sure that they're not drying out. Give it a little bit of water each day if they need it. Check on them. You should get some sprouts in about, I would say about a week and a half. Definitely have some little sprouts coming out. You're gonna want them to get about this big, and by that time the roots will be coming out of the bottom just a little bit, hopefully. And that's when you stick them into the My Easy Garden, the soil My Easy Garden, not the hydro one. The hydro one, we put the rock wool in. Just like the ones we did in rock wool, we're gonna put these inside in the indoors too, and let them sprout. They sprout a lot easier. So I'm just gonna put this up on top of my refrigerator. and I'll leave that up there for about a week, and I'll check on it every day.